بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back to another lesson. We're on ayah number 168 now of Surat al-Baqarah, and we are right here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها. Right, you have the ya that is extended, the hamza, the ya that has a shadda with the dhamma over it, and a ha and an alif. And this is a med. So you count this long, obviously. Ya ayyuhan nasu. Right, so from here, ha, this alif lam drops, goes straight into the noon. Huruf shamsiya. These are called huruf shamsiya, as you recall. These are read, these are assimilated into the noon. Ya ayyuhan nasu. Right? And you have a ghunna there for those that are a bit advanced. Ya ayyuhan nasu. Kulu. Right? Kulu mimma. Kulu mimma. Right? You have ghunna again on the mim there. Kulu mimma fil. Right, so kulu, this was obviously not, this is silent. Kulu mimma fi, right, fil. This goes straight from here. This drops, goes straight into the lam here with the sukoon, so it makes a il sound. Fil, fil, and then you're going to read the hamza there. Ardi. Fil ardi. And then we have fil ardi. Halalan, halalan, halalan. This extends the lam. Halalan tayyiba. Okay? Halalan tayyiba. Okay? This fathatain here, followed by ta, right? If you have noon sakina or you have tanween, it's called tanween. Again, this is the basic introduction to tajweed. So if you're looking for something more advanced, this obviously the best requirement or the best advice I'd give you is an actual live teacher, one-on-one. But for our purposes for here, just these are signs I'm giving you so you become familiar with them, right? We have fathatain. This, when it appears before the ta, makes it ikhfa. Halalan tayyiba. You have a shadda over the ya, tayyiba. And if you're reading on, obviously, this assimilates with the waw. Tayyiban wala, wala. Right? Now, let's move down more. Here. Ta with another ta, and this ta, second one has a shadda. Tattabi'u. Tattabi'u. Khutu. Khutuwati. Khutuwati. Okay? And then from the T here, you're going to read straight into this. This alif drops, this drops. You're going to go straight into the sheen there because it's huruf shamsiya. Khutuwati shaytan. Shaytan. Right? Khutuwati shaytan. Jim is a good place to take a pause. Khutuwati shaytan. And then continue on. Right? Innahu lakum aduwwun mubin. Aduwwun mubin. Why does this mim have a shadda? Because it assimilates with this tanween, this dhammatain. Aduwwun mubin. Otherwise this would have been aduwwun, wun, but this assimilates with the mim. Aduwwun mubin. Okay, next ayah. Here. Innama. So this is innama. Right? إنما يأمركم يأمركم. This Hamza with a sukun over it. يأمركم. إنما يأمركم. Okay, this is the tricky one. Don't want to go into this too much, but we have a meme with a sukun above it, followed by a ba. Okay, so you're going to hold that. إنما يأمركم بالسوء. You notice how I held it just a little bit? يأمركم بالسوء. Instead of يأمركم بالسوء right away, you hold it just slightly. يأمركم بالسوء. يأمركم بالسوء. Right? يأمركم bis. So this is going straight from here to the scene. This drops, that drops, goes straight. Bisu'i. Right? This is a mad. Bisu'i. Wa. This drops, goes straight to the lam. Wal. Fahsha. Fahsha'i. والفحشاء. Right, another mad there. والفحشاء. وأن نون ساكنة followed by ta makes it إخفاء. وأن تقولوا. وأن تقولوا. This قو and lu are slightly extended. وأن تقولوا على الله. You all recall before the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if it's a fatha or dhamma, you read it على الله as opposed to في الله, right? على الله ما لا تعلمون. وأن تقولوا على الله ما لا تعلمون. Next ayah. وإذا قيل لهم what happens here? This drops, goes straight to the ta, right? وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّبِعُوا مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ. This noon with a sukun over it is إخفاء. أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ. قالوا بل نون تابعين نتبع ما ألفينا right. ألفينا ما ألفينا عليه آباءنا. Because you got a Hamza alif. The mad over the alif there. آباءنا. This Hamza almost starts with a fresh, like a hold of a breath. آباءنا, right? آباءنا. أولو كان آباؤهم لا يعقلون Inshallah, let me know how the speed is. If it's good speed, too fast, too slow, I'd like to hear from you. لا يعقلون شيئا. Whenever you have shay'an, an followed by wa, this is called idgham. Assimilates, kind of joins together. Shay'an becomes shay'an wala, shay'an wala, wala yahtadun, wala yahtadun. Okay, alhamdulillah, jazakumullah khair for another session. Alhamdulillah, may Allah accept, bless. This is a beginning class for those that are just learning how to read Quran. Inshallah, this is beginners. Okay, so I pray that this benefits you all. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you for following us. May Allah bless you. Thank you for your prayers. May Allah increase you. Assalamu alaikum.